Welcome to the first of the yard test maneuvers. Always remember that during these procedures, be sure to perform the correct signals and observations when moving off, stopping, or changing directions. And don't forget those mirrors. First up is alley docking. Here, you will be required to reverse into an allocated space from both left and right, and then drive out again. Let's start with the right side docking. Your examiner will direct you to the starting point. Position your vehicle as directed and cancel any signals, if applicable. Now apply your parking brake. Select neutral and wait for further instructions. Now check your mirrors and blind spot to the right. Signal your intention. Select reverse gear. Easy now. Control that clutch. Check in 360 degrees for hazards, then release your parking brake and move off. Before you turn, check the blind spot to the left and steer into the demarcated area without touching any obstacle. Now, disengage your clutch and stop your vehicle within the demarcated area and apply the parking brake. Now select neutral and cancel your signal. To leave, check your mirrors and blind spot to the right. Signal your intention to turn. Select first gear and obtain clutch control. Observe in 360 degrees for hazards, release your parking brake and exit smoothly. Don't forget to cancel your signal. Now you'll be asked to perform the same maneuver to the left. Position your vehicle at the starting point. Cancel any signals if applicable and apply your parking brake. Select neutral and wait for further instructions. On instruction, begin the alley docking maneuver to the left. To exit, remember to check mirrors and appropriate blind spot. Signal your intention, select first gear, obtain clutch control, check your 360 degrees for hazards, release your parking brake, and off you go. Don't forget to check your Safeway's K53 manual to familiarize yourself with the detailed diagrams of the yard layout. Although alley docking to the left and right feel very different when you're performing the maneuvers, remember the routines are the same. And don't forget, you only get 2 chances to complete this maneuver without any corrective forward movements. This video lesson is brought to you by Safeways and Renault. Passion for life.